Wait, Jesse, wait! Before you leave, last night I saw your backup lights and they're very ugly. I got something cool for you.
Wow, AUXBEAM, light the way. If my viewers didn't know this, back in the day with my 2015 Civic and even my previous Tacoma, I used to use this brand a lot. And it's crazy because they lasted. I still have them in my Civic, so I'm excited to put these on my 2020 Tacoma.
Let's show them how to install it. It's super easy, even I could do it. What's up guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be installing backup LED lights. Come on, we're going to show you how to do it. Before we get into the video, we're going to be showing you the stock ones. And then we're going to be showing you how these ones look at the end. The cool thing about this install is that you only need one 10mm socket or a wrench. You're going to notice that there's 4 bolts here, but you're only going to need to take off the second one and 4th one. Let me show you guys how to do it. Now that the second and 4th bolt are out, let's yank this out. Make sure not to pull it out too hard because these wires can rip. Notice that there's 3 different sections. We're going to be pulling out the bottom one. And all you need to do is twist it and it's out. If you want to save these little bulbs, make sure to put some gloves on and pull it right out. Here, let me show you. If you could see in this hand, these are the old stock lights and these are the new LED lights. Let me show you, these things are crazy bright. All you need to do is slide it right in, it's super simple. And before you put everything together, make sure to test these lights out. So now that we tested it, let's put it all back together the way it was before.
Alright you guys, so it might be a little bit hard to focus on camera, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys now that they're installed. I didn't show you guys the before because, I mean, if you guys have a Tacoma, you guys should already know how they look. But check it out. In person, they're like a nice bright white LED. Now it looks really good, especially with these brand new taillights that I had installed. If you guys want to purchase the taillights, you know where to go. And I also have a link to watch the install video on that as well. But if you guys do end up wanting to purchase those, you know where to go. Check it out though. It looks really good, crazy bright. So now people can see you coming. Alright you guys, so now that we're at the end of this street, we're also at the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I want to give a big thanks to my niece because she actually did this video for you guys. As you guys can tell, it's a super simple install. Anybody can do it. So if you guys do end up wanting to purchase these AUXBEAM reverse lights, I wasn't joking when I did put them on my Civic. I put them on my other Tacoma that I used to have. If you guys do want to buy them, they're in the description box below. I do recommend them. They do actually last, no joke. On my Civic, I still want to say I have their LEDs, their low beams, and they're still working, and it's been 5, almost 6 years that I had them installed. So if you guys want to get that too, it's there. Go check out the description box below. For these ones though, it's there. So if you guys did enjoy it, once again, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
What's up guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today we're gonna a wrench bar. Dang it, I said wrench. And pull it right out.
You want to redo it?
Make sure to...
Alright you guys, so now that we're Alright you guys, so now that we're at the end of the road, we're also at the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this install. Thanks to my niece, she actually... Let's do it again. Tell me when. Alright you guys, so now that we're...